Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to see how to upload shorts in YouTube. Now open the YouTube app and press the bottom plus icon and press the bar upload shorts or create a shorts or upload a video. You can upload the video and you can make a video in YouTube otherwise, or you can make another shorts video with some third-party editing app and come on upload in the YouTube. You can make a upload can make shots in mobile phone YouTube mobile phone app. This video is so how to upload shots in YouTube or how to create shots in YouTube. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you are new to our channel. Please subscribe and press the bell icon. Bye bye.